Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Following that, select Advanced, scroll down and click on Font Size. Then swipe left or right on this text size slider in order to adjust it. When you are finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!